Is your PC lagging, freezing or showing weird errors? Don't worry, today I will show you how to fix all your PC problems using just a few powerful CMD commands. No software, no downloads, just built-in Windows tools that work. The first command we are using is called System File Checker, also known as SFC. These tools can see Windows system for corrupted or missing files that might be causing your PC to behave strangely. To run it, open command prompt as administrator and type the following command: sfc /scannow. Once you hit enter, the scan begins. SFC will automatically check your system files and replace any damaged or missing ones with correct versions. This process might take 5 to 15 minutes depending on your computer speed. Don't close the window while it is scanning. When the scan finishes, you will see one of these three messages. Windows didn't find any integrity violations, which means your files are fine. Windows found and repaired corrupted files. This means your system is now clean. Windows found errors but couldn't fix all of them. In that case, stay with me for the next step because we will fix those remaining issues using a stronger command. If SFC couldn't fix all the issues, the next command is your solution. It is called DISM, which stands for Deployment Image Servicing and Management. This tool repairs the actual Windows image. That is, the core system that SFC uses to restore files. So if your Windows image is damaged, SFC won't work properly until we fix it with DISM. Type the following command carefully: DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth. When you press enter, DISM will scan your Windows system image for corruption and attempt to repair it. It might connect to Windows Update to download the correct files, so make sure your internet is on. This process may take anywhere between 5 to 20 minutes depending on your system and connection speed. When it is done, it will show the restore operation completed successfully. That means your Windows image is now fully repaired. For the best results, run the SFC command again after DISM finishes. So type sfc /scannow again and hit enter. Once you hit enter, the scan begins again. SFC will automatically check your system files and replace any damaged or missing ones with the correct versions. Together, these two commands ensure your Windows system files are 100% healthy. Now that we have prepared your system files, it is time to fix your hard drive or SSD. Over time, your hard disk or SSD can develop bad sectors or logical errors that slow down your PC or cause random crashes. To fix that, we will use the CHKDSK command, which stands for check disks. This command scans and repairs your drive for file system errors and bad sectors. Open CMD as administrator, then type this command: CHKDSK C /F. Here, the letter C represents your main drive where Windows is installed. If your Windows is installed on another drive, replace C with that drive letter. The parameter /F tells Windows to automatically fix any detected errors. Press enter. If it says the drive is in use, type Y and restart your PC. Here is what it does. It detects and fixes logical errors in your file system. It helps recover lost file fragments. It can prevent crashes caused by corrupted sectors. Now, here is something most people get wrong. You might have seen others recommend CHKDSK /R, but should you use it? Let's break it down. Should you use /F or /R on SSDs? CHKDSK /F is safe and recommended. It fixes logical file system errors like missing indexes, broken files entries, and metadata corruption. CHKDSK /R use only if necessary. This command tries to locate physical bad sectors, recover data, and mark damaged areas so they aren't reused. That's great for old hard drives which store data on spinning platters, but SSDs work differently. They have no moving parts. They store data electronically in memory cells. When a cell becomes unreliable, your SSD's firmware automatically replaces it using wear leveling. So running CHKDSK /R on an SSD doesn't really help. It forces your drive to perform a massive surface scan, creating unnecessary read and write cycles. That means extra wear on your SSD, kind of rebuilding an engine when all you needed was an oil change. The best command for SSDs is CHKDSK F. This fixes file system problems safely without stressing your drive. Now restart your computer. Windows will start scanning your hard drive before booting. This process might take some time, but it is very thorough. When it is done, all detected disk errors and bar sectors will be repaired, improving your PC speed and stability. After repairing your system files, hard drive and SSD, it is a good idea to remove temporary junk files that may be taking up space and slowing things down. In command prompt, type del space /kill/f/s space %10% /**, then hit enter. This command safely deletes all temporary files in your system temp folder. It won't affect your personal data, but will free up storage and make your PC run more smoothly. After completing all these commands, restart your computer one more time. You will notice your PC boots faster, responds better, and runs with fewer errors. Programs will open quicker, and all those random lags and freezes should be gone. These three commands, SFC, DISM, and CHKDSK, work together like a full system therapy for your PC. They fix the brain, the body, and the heart of Windows all in one process. If this video helped you fix your PC, leave a like, comment CMD fixed my PC, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful Windows and tech tutorials. I'm Ranphils, and I love helping you make your PC faster, smarter, and better every week. See you later in the next video. Thanks for watching.